Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys, at kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload ng mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung 2 euro coins ng Slovenia. Mayroong taon na 2007. So bago tayo magpunta doon guys sa ating Siling Online, tapusin muna natin ang kanyang history guys, dahil napakagandang history ito guys. Napakaganda rin na malaman din natin ang kanyang kasaysayan, kung paano ito ginawa. So ito yung history niya guys. The coin dates from 2002 when euro coins and notes were introduced in the 12-member Eurozone and its related territories. The common side was designed by Lloyd Six, and Belgian artist who won a Europe-wide competition to design the new coins. The design of 1 and 2 euro coins were intended to show the European Union or EU as a whole, with then 15 countries more closely joined together than on the 10 to 50 cent coins. The 1 cent to 5 cent coins showed the EU as one tooth, intending to show its place in the world. The national sides, the 15 Eurozone, plus Monaco, San Marino, and the Vatican, who called meant their own, were each designed according to the national competitions to specification which applied to all coins, such as the requirements of including 12 stars. National design were not allowed to change until the end of 2008, unless a monarch, whose portrait usually appears on the coins, die or abdicates. This happened in Monaco and the Vatican City, resulting in 3 new design in circulation. The Vatican had an interim design until the new Pope was selected. The national design have been some changes due to new rules, stating that the national design should include the name of the issuing country, neither Finland and Belgium show a country name, and hence have made minor changes. In 2004, the commemorative coins were allowed to be minted in 6 states. A short interim period was set aside so citizens could get used to the new currency. By 2007, nearly all states had issued a commemorative issue, and the first Eurozone-wide commemorative was issued to celebrate the Treaty of Rome. As the EU or European Union membership has since expanded in 2004 and 2007, with further expansions envisaged, the common face of all euro coins from the value of 10 euro cent and above were redesigned in 2007 to show a new map. This map showed Europe, not just the EU, as one continuous landmass. However, Cyprus was moved west as the map cut off after the Bosphorus, which was seen as excluding Turkey for political reason. The redesign in 2007 rather than in 2004 was due to the fact that 2007 saw the first enlargement of Eurozone. The entry of Slovenia, hence the Slovenian design was added to the designs in circulation. Cyprus and Malta joined in 2008, Slovakia in 2009, and Estonia in 2011, bringing 4 more designs. Also in 2009, the second Eurozone-wide issue of a €2 commemorative coin was issued, celebrating 10 years of the introduction of the euro. In 2012, the third Eurozone-wide issue of the €2 commemorative coins was issued, celebrating 10 years of euro coins and notes. In 2015, the fourth Eurozone-wide issue for this denomination was issued, commemorating the 30th anniversary of the flag of Europe. 4 more countries, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, and Croatia, joined the Eurozone in 2011, 2014, and 2015. And in the 2023, respectively, Andorra began minting its own design in 2014. And after winning the right to do so, this coin shows the fouet of France presidents, and in the inscriptions, God's blessings on all nations, as a line taken from the poem Zdravjika, which is also used in the country's national anthem. Each lettering of the €2 coins Slovenia, followed by the engraved dot. Pictures na guys, ang issue is Slovenia. And period, Republic 1991. May type siya na standard circulation coin, year 2007 hanggang 2023. Ang value, €2. So sa atin guys, sa Pilipinas ay umabot ng 128 pesos ang ating €2. Currency naman ito ay Euro 2007, kanyang date. Ang composition ay bimetallic, nickel brass clad, and nickel center in copper nickel ring. May timbang siya na 8.5 grams at 25.75 mm naman ang diameter. May thickness na 2.2 mm. Ang shape ay round, technique, mild. Orientation, middle alignment. Meron siyang number na A number 243 and reference number KM number 75. Ito yung ating obverse guys. The profile board of the poet Franz Preserin is accompanied with a legend indicating his name. And the first line of the 7th stanza of Zdravjika, Slovenian national anthem, and is encircled by the 12 stars of Europe, alternated with the letters of the word Slovenia. So meron siyang script na Latin. Ang kanyang lettering Slovenia, France, Preserins, Shivnaj, BSI, and Narode 2007 ang kanyang year. Ang ating translation ay God's blessing on all nations. Engraver si M. Laiko. Ito naman guys ang ating reverse geographical map of the European Union. Company with the face value, mayroon siyang script na Latin, lettering €2, L and L ang kanyang lettering. Engraver si Lux Lycix. Age readed with inscription. Ang script naman ay Latin, ang lettering is Slovenia. Men's Chronica Slovakia 1328 ang kanyang date. May comments dito guys, ang Slovenian circulation coins minted per year. So meron siyang 2007 nga FI 56% sa 21,250,000 kapiraso. So ang good niya guys ay umabot ng 130. Ganun din sa very good at sa fine at saka extra fine, 130 pesos. Ang about uncirculated is 160 pesos. Ang kanyang uncirculated is 190 pesos. At meron tayo guys na 2007 guys na bio set 40% sa 100,000 kapiraso. May verify na 130 pesos. Ganun din sa